You know, this is a real simple tutorial. I'm sure you're gonna laugh. I'm gonna suggest to you that one of the best exercises you can do, try to play the notes accurately first on your song. If you can't do that, you can't take it to a new improv place. You have to learn your instrument well enough to actually play the notes exactly as they were written in the piece correctly. That sounds like a simple thing, but it's not. Most people do the bonky wonk. The bonky wonk is where you almost hit the right notes, but then you can cover for it. That's called the bonky wonk. Let's try it once. On Georgia. There we go. See, I bonky wonked a little bit. So I'm guilty of the bonky wonk. Anyhow, if you will have the self-control to learn to play the song, the notes, all the way through, exactly, then you can have the freedom to improvise under control. Now, I'm not going to say that bonky wonk is wrong. I didn't say bonky wonk is wrong. It's just not under control. It's not under total control. For those of you who know, Austin Powers, that's the mini-me thing, But I'm just saying, simple, total control. It's a great place to start with your harmonica practicing. By the way, this is a Gregor Mare, which has been customized with those super cool Kettlewell resonance covers. They have a resonant chamber from Russ Kammerer. And, I thought you might be interested to see it.